hopefully, folks, this will be a better video of my kidde smoke and carbon monoxide alarm that I have in this basement here. And I want to tell you a couple facts you need to know, and I'll tell you about it. This alarm is a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. It tells you both hazards, whether if it is smoke or carbon monoxide, and it has voice recordings built inside the alarm. It uses 3 AA batteries, as you can see here, and it has a push to hush and a push to test button. It uses ionization technology, and you can mount it on your wall or ceiling. They also make a hardwired version of this smoke detector, but I have the battery operated version, and it probably works just the same as the hardwired version. Just this one's not air connected. Okay, so you can use any of these holes. It doesn't matter which holes you use. And you can just install it. It's really easy to install. You don't even need to call an electrician like you do to install a hardwired alarm. This one just clicks into place, twist it, and then you're done. Okay? We'll also do a test, but this thing is very loud, so I'll let you hear that it has smoke and carbon monoxide. I'm going to take it down so you guys can hear, because this thing is very, very loud. And I think it's better if I take it down so you guys can hear. So I'll lay it down and listen for the voice. You'll hear it still say carbon monoxide and fire. So here we go.
Fire, fire.
You also notice that it'll have a red light flashing. That just tells
Carbon monoxide.
This just tells it's an alarm mode. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so hopefully you heard the fire, and carbon monoxide. So basically that's just it, folks. And you should change the batteries every year. Bye. And I'll put this back on the wall. Bye.